Welcome fellow traders. It's time for another training session with BestBull tutorial. In this video, we will focus on the history section's classic mode. So let's get started. First, we have selected a trade that we will discuss, which is the second line. As you can see here, you can see the time of the trade, script, ticket ID, and internal reference number to be used when contacting customer care, and the history type. In this case, the trade is open and it is a buy trade. The amount or quantity and the open price of the trade are also displayed along with the commission charged. Now, let's discuss when this trade was closed for better clarity. Looking at the first line, you can see that this trade was closed right after. All the details for this trade are available again, including the time, script, ticket ID, history type which is now closed, type which is buy, quantity 1. And the closing price, which is the same as the opening price. The open time for the trade is the same as mentioned at the start of the second line, and the open ticket ID is also the same. By comparing the opening and closing prices of the first line trade, you can calculate the profit and loss (P&L) of the trade. Please note that the commission is mentioned 3 times for reference purposes, and it is not included in the P&L provided here. Now, let's understand the calculation of P&L practically. We'll open a calculator and perform the calculation. First, enter the digits of the closing price, then subtract it from the digits of the opening price. The answer will be your P&L figure. To calculate the balance, subtract the P&L, which is 8.1, from the commission, which is minus 17.44. The resulting value will be your balance figure, which in this case is minus 9.44. So now you understand how P&L is calculated in classic mode. Furthermore, if you have multiple trades and need to search for specific ticket IDs, there's a simple solution. Go to the top of the page where you will see a red colored option button. Click on it and a window will appear. Select the checkbox next to Enable Search in List and then click on Submit. A search box will appear where you can enter the ticket ID, making it easier to find the details. In the next video, we will discuss some more modes in history section. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.